Basic diagnostics on a no crank, no start. Always verify your battery voltage. Always verify your ignition exciter circuit. So this right here is your starter, and that smaller wire is going to be your exciter wire to your starter. So when you're turning your key to crank, you should get system voltage on that wire. Next, you'll want to verify your fuses by either testing them with a meter or pulling them out and looking at them. Also, verify your relays and test them. This is a Relay Buddy. It does 12 and 24 volts. You put it in, push the button, green means good. That's pretty much it. That's your basic keep it simple stupid diagnostics for a no crank, no start.